happened after we booked the trip. In saying that, there was a bunch, Lahaina, I think it's called. That was all obviously closed off because that's where it got hit the most. You could see it from their main highway. Lots of stuff got burned out. Sad. People obviously lost their lives.
Livelihoods.
Yeah, livelihoods. And they're trying to rebuild. And then some people want tourists there. A lot of people don't want tourists there, but tourists do bring in money for their economy. So who knows? But Maui and all was my favorite island out of the three.
Definitely go back.
Yeah.
It's sad. Every driver that we had that took around was talking about their experience, things that they lost, talking about Lahaina, and just saying that it's going to take years for it to come back to the way it was, if ever. A lot of that has been there for forever.
Cody's trying to look.
I'm trying to look and drive at the same time.